I just thought I'd share some vagabonding in style tips this morning. So, I've decided to live it up. I've got some, I don't know, some kind of spicy tuna bowl thing from Bristol Farms, along with, I'm going to try the brown ale mustard in it. You can eat this stuff just by itself. Haven't tried it in this yet. I think I'll energize it above my purple pyramid here. Okay, it's really indigo and organite and probably tanzanite and some cool moonstones and stuff I picked up off the beach. And now I've got some chlorophyll drink. Couldn't resist getting some red carnations in Trader Joe's the other day and stuff them in my Trader Joe's empty grapefruit juice container. Oh, hey, you want to know how to save like $499 on Botox? 99 cent or get a headband.